My name is Jusa Kuderizera, like what you said, and I'm the founder and the coordinator for Manica Youth Assembly. And my role is to mobilize young people and women to join our organization, which is Manica Youth Assembly, or Maya. We are into environment, climate, and gender justice here in Zimbabwe.
Beautiful. And could you share a bit more about Maya, how it got started, how many children are involved, people are involved, and what's the work that you're doing?
Okay, Manica Youth Assembly was formed in 2018 and registered in 2019. We started with the 4 other guys to make the 5, including myself. And we registered in 2019 from the funds that was raised by Mother Earth Project. And we focus on young people and school children, as well women, in our programming. And since 2018 up to date, we have been mobilizing the community to plant more trees in Zimbabwe, especially in Mutare, where we are based. We have planted around 7,000 trees since the formation of Manica Youth Assembly. And we involve young people, women, and school children. Under the school children, we have the project, what we call Catch Them Young, where we go into schools, primary schools and secondary schools, educating young people to take care of the environment. And we have formed environmental clubs in various different schools in Manica range. And we plant trees in those schools. After planting trees, those environmental clubs students, they will take care of the trees. They will nurture the trees. In the communities, we work with young people through voluntary. They plant trees. We raise awareness in communities so that we try to protect our mountain. Mutare, it's a mountainous area, and where we have faced challenges where young people, women, especially women, they were cutting down trees because of various reasons that we are facing here in Zimbabwe. So we took upon ourselves as young people to try and protect the environment by planting trees and educating the community, the importance of planting trees.
That's wonderful, Jusa. And here's a question for you regarding the people that are cutting down the trees. Who are they, and are there any ways that we can help them?
Mostly people who are cutting down trees and most people who are involved are women. Women, they play a big role here in Zimbabwe, especially all the house chores. In Africa, we say women, they are in charge. So because of the economic situation that we are facing as a country, and the unemployment rate is high, so women, they go into mountain, different areas, cutting down trees for firewood. And also the electricity is expensive. So people, they think that they find cheaper way for them to use for cooking. So they go out there and cut down trees. So when we talked to women or everyone who have been involving themselves in cutting down trees, they said it's because of unemployment and poverty. So we tried by all means as young people under Manica Youth Assembly, we have a project that we call Give Back to the Community. So we sit down with those who are involved, especially young women and women. We empower them by educating them to come up with a livelihoods project, and we raise the fund for them where they are involved in poetry project. detergents making project, a piggery project, because we have seen that the root causes of cutting down trees is for them trying to survive or trying to source to cut down trees for resale, some of them. So we try by all means to address the root causes so that whenever we plant trees, there will be no one seen cutting down trees again.